Hello.
Yes, Manju.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, uh, just a minute. So, you are in Q2, right? For any angle, okay, for any angle, alpha 2 is a representative of angles in quadrant 2, right? For any angle, okay, tan will be the native, right? Hello? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, are you following or you want a break?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So, now, so for alpha is a representative of any angle in Q2. So, for all angles in Q2, tan will be negative, right? For all angles
Yes, sir.
in tan will be positive, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I rotate tan to Q3, right? Say I have rotated for an angle alpha 3. So, so what is Q3? Raviteja, what is
Oh,
so P3 coordinates
Cos alpha comma sin alpha. Sin alpha 3.
sin alpha. Okay, don't sleep.
Yes.
Okay, so in Q3, right? I can't extend like this because it will never meet this line. If this one, right, we have to extend this line, right? Say this is T3. This AT3, right? Your tan alpha 3 is equal to AT3, right?
yes,
Is
sir.
greater than 0, right? In Q3. So where your alpha 3 lies between 180 degrees to 270 degrees, right? Right?
Yes,
Tan
sir.
alpha, we have to visualize this A to 3 line, right? Now, finally, we are in Q4. Okay, so I have rotated, so alpha 4. This is alpha 4, right? So, this is P4, okay, which is cos alpha 4 sin alpha 4. So similar okay, so if I can't extend like this, I need to bring it backward, right, to meet this one. So it has met at P4, right? So your tan alpha 4 is equal to Priya. So what is that?
AP4.
And this is always less than 0, right? When your angle is between 270 degrees, okay, and 360 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you understood why tan is positive in first quadrant, why tan is negative in second quadrant, why tan is positive in third quadrant, and why tan is negative in fourth quadrant. Please note down
Yes,
this.
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Also, right, for, for that point, right? Okay, so this AT4 will be equal to this ratio by this ratio, right? Uh, Numerically equal to, but by similar triangle concept, right? We can tell that AT4 will be equal to sin,
Minus.
sin alpha 4 by cos alpha 4,
ఏంటమ్మా
right?
So, won't it be minus sin alpha 4?
No, sin alpha 4 will be negative, right?
Yeah,
Sin
that's true.
alpha 4,
So,
yeah. Don't put minus. Sin alpha 4 is always means this length is negative, right?
yes, sir.
If you put minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so don't do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sin alpha 4 is negative, right? Since it is downward to x axis. So, okay. So if you put negative, right? Negative into negative will become positive. Positive by positive. That is not correct, right? Sin alpha is negative. So negative by positive. So 84 will be negative, right? So yeah. Now we have done this exercise through anti-clockwise, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, I hope you are following correctly.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the same concept, right? Now we do with clockwise, right? And I will be asking questions. Please, okay, be attentive and answer correctly. Okay. Raviteja,
Yeah, yeah.
I hope you will not be sleeping.
I'm not sleeping, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is a unit circle, right? With the center as the origin, and we have a tangent. Okay. Hope this is a tangent. Right. This is touching only at point. Okay. At a 1 comma 0. Now I am rotating through an angle minus theta. Hello. Hello.
Particularly the
So
tangent,
yeah, yeah,
that
madam.
on tangent line, right? Just
Uh,
touch that point A. It's touching all over the circle, kada.
Madam, I have a problem with my this one. Okay, please assume that this is touching at only one point, right? I have to change the nibs. Okay,
One more
this is
question. Whenever,
uh,
yeah, whenever we define a tangent, you are always talking about the 80, right?
yes, yes.
And quadrant is you are just extending to touch that point. So why that 81 is constant?
Why that 81 is tangent?
Now, why 81 is always considered as a tangent in that line?
Madam, can you be so specific, right? I have rotated OA through an angle theta. O, A become P, right? Now, if I have to define the tan theta, right? You have to extend this line. That is the definition, right? Given by them. Okay, 81. Okay, this 81 length is called your tan theta. This is because this is part of the tan, and this length is opposite theta. So that is tan theta. That's how we define tan theta. So what is your question, madam?
So all your quadrants Q2, Q3, Q4, right? When you're
Uh,
drawing a line or you're extending to touch this point,
uh,
touch this line.
uh. So that point where it touches, right? You have to measure A and that point. That is the definition of tan theta.
Okay. So the tangent can be drawn at any point on the circle, right? To
Right,
touch only.
right. You can draw at any point, at any angle.
Mm. Okay.
So this is a definition what we have for tan theta, right?
Okay.
Madam, the questions, right? I can take after the class, right?
Carry on.
Because I have to give Ria opportunity to complete the syllabus. Okay, you can call me and we can discuss on this. Okay.
Oh, sure, sure. Thanks.
So definition, right? Definitions means you have to follow their version. Okay, mathematicians version. We can't question on the versions of definitions. Okay, why like this? Okay, right? Definitions are to be followed by them. Okay, rule means we can change the rule, but the principles and definitions as per our maths, right? They are defined in that way, and they have the reason to define in that way. Okay, we already discussed why sine, what is the use of sine theta and cos theta. So so now we will repeat the same concept with clockwise direction.
if I had still been friends with her, I mean, if any one of us would have still been friends with her, she'd be alive today.
That's your friends. We weren't friends. Friends tell each other the truth. Friends don't turn on each other. Hannah's a user and a liar, and you can't believe anything that she says. Ain't not a thing. She's a liar. Who was a liar? Friends. What friends?
Just
So this is the
Alex
answer
and
to
all.
the class
But I've seen you around on the trips.
You don't get to fucking with my life because you don't like who you are. They're not my friends.
What about the Jets?
Get the fuck out! Just
I wanna.
So don't assume this is a tangent. Okay, I can't draw pinpointly. Assume this is a tangent.
why should I
Which
smile?
occurs at A. Now, if I rotate through an angle minus theta, okay, so this angle is say minus theta, right? And if I extend this line, will meet the tangent at say T1. So tan minus T1 is your tan minus T1 is your AT1, right? If I rotate OA through an angle theta 2 in anti-clockwise in clockwise direction, this is theta 2. So anti-clockwise clockwise, so minus theta 2. Okay, this point the P1. Okay, now I can't extend like this. Okay, my aim is to meet the tangent at A, so we have to extend like this, right? So this T2 is called tan minus of T2. That length is tan minus of T2 is AT2, right? AT2. If I rotate through an angle minus theta 3, right? This is minus theta 3. Say point P2, right? So I can if I want to make this ray meet the tangent, I need to extend this line backwards. Say this is your T3. So tan minus theta 3 is equal to tan minus theta 3 is equal to so Ria, what is the tan minus theta 3?
83.
Right. Okay. Also, if I rotate through an angle theta 4, right? Say
Minus
this is minus theta 4, right? I have to extend like this. This is T4. So tan minus theta 4 is equal to A T4,
84.
right? Okay, so we have repeated for, okay, you have understood in clockwise and anti-clockwise, okay? What is tan of minus theta 2? We have got that visualization, right? Ria?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, say this concept already we have some understanding of this concept, right? So I have a unit circle. I have a unit circle. Say I have a unit circle, right? With the center as origin. Okay, and this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. This is my A. This is my A. Okay, so 1, 0, B 0, 1, C -1, 0, and D 0, -1. Right? This is my positive x direction, and this is my positive y direction. This is my negative x direction, negative y direction. Right? So I have rotated through an angle A OA through an angle theta. Theta. So T, right? And I have a tangent at A. A fixed tangent at A. Okay. So as my as per definition, right? This T can have two representations, right? So I can rotate through an angle theta. Then this is called tan theta. If I extend, okay, let's say it's meter T. So tan theta is my A T, right?
Yes, sir.
I can also measure like this, right? In clockwise direction. So the same AT is equal to minus 360
Minus.
minus theta, right? Equal to
Yes,
AT.
sir.
So AT is equal to tan theta is equal to tan theta minus 360 degrees, right? This is understood, right? A single point can have clockwise measurement and anti-clockwise measurement. Okay. So we should be in a position to identify this, right?
Hello.
Ria, you have taken this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Also, let's understand what is 5/4, right? So I have so the second point is, okay, again I'm considering a unit circle, right? I have rotated through 5/4. Okay, now 5/4 I have A. Okay, from A I have traveled through 5/4 distance. This length is 5/4, right? So it came to T. So what is OP here as per our radian definition? This is a unit circle.
బాగానే ఉంది కానీ ఎందుకు భయపడుతుంది
OP is 1.
So what is this angle?
5/4.
5/4 radians, right?
5
That
radian.
కొడుకొని
okay.
మాట్లాడుకోవాలి
So L is equal to r theta, right?
సరే వస్తే రేపు
We have
వస్తున్నాను రేపు బయలుదేరుతాను
what is the purpose of theta in radians, right? So it gives the arc length, right? So my arc length is L, R is the radius, and theta is right. So R is 1. So theta is equal to L, L radian. So 5/4 radian, right?
ఉండాలనిపిస్తుంది
Yes, sir.
సరే
So what is tan 5/4?
1.
How did you get?
వస్తే రేపు పొద్దున పోతే బయలుదేరుతా రేపు
80 is
లేకపోతే
your
రేపు
tan
నైట్
5/4, right?
నైట్
Yes.
ఆర్టీసీ బస్సులు ఉన్నాయి కదా బాగా
You know this is numerically equal to this length by this length.
ఉంది
Okay.
ఏదో
Sin 5/4.
Sin 5/4. Wait, cos 5/4.
Okay. So this is 1/2. We have discussed this derivations in the previous class, right? So
Yes,
we
sir.
get that
వచ్చే ముందు నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను
is equal to tan
వాళ్ళు
5/4
వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ రాకపోతే ఇక్కడ రాను
is equal to 1.
రేపు వస్తే కనీసం 2 రోజులన్నా ఉన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది కదా
So
రేపు
80 means this length. This length is 1.
వస్తే రాను
And this length we are calculating by this numerical equivalent
సరే
of sin theta by cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I extend the value, the part here, right? So what is this angle? Total angle.
Where, sir?
Okay, if I extend this line, the same line. Okay. So what is this total angle?
Oh, 180 minus 45.
180 minus 45 or 180 plus 45? This is 180. Okay, this is 45, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal.
45. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this is 5 by 4 radian. So the total is from here to here, this is 5, right? 5 plus 5 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Tan 5 plus 5 by 4, right? This is in radians. Or this can be in, okay, here x can be real numbers or x can be in radians also, right? Radians or x can be in degrees. Okay, if I don't tell that this is a real number, right? You understood? The unit circle, what is the relation between the length and the theta, right?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
So if I wrote it like this, right? Again, it will be touching at 80 only, right? I need to extend the same line, so it will be touching at 80 only. So this is also 1, right?
Yes, sir.
This is by definition. Okay, we got. Okay, this is by definition, right? Okay, now, okay, I have to will write for some points. Okay, at point, what is tan pi by 2?
And pi by 2 is 90. It's undefined.
So you have traveled from okay, f- uh, from A to B. Okay, this is the thing. This is a real number, so it will subtend an angle pi by 2 radians. Since this is a unit circle, so L is equal to r theta, where theta is in radians. Your theta is pi by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can write here pi by 2 r tan pi by 2 radians, right? Or simply tan pi by 2. Both are same, right? It will give this quantity, right? So tan pi by 2, right? Whether I extend like this or like this, right? Since they are parallel to each other, okay, they will never meet. So this is undefined, right? Please note down this.
Sir.
Okay. Now tan 3 pi by 2. So I have traveled from A to D. Tan 3 pi by 2. So can you tell what is tan 3 pi by 2 by definition of tan theta?
It's also undefined.
Good. Right? Now tan 5 pi by 2.
5 pi by 2. Undefined.
Because okay, 2
So
pi
2
plus
pi plus
5 by 2,
pi by
right?
2. Yes, sir.
So tan is undefined, right? If you observe,
Yes.
right, 5 by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, right? I can give a generic name, right? If that is here or here, okay, that is tan 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Is undefined, right? Means this will represent the points at B or D, right? B or D is undefined, right? Please note down this, where n belongs to natural numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
You have taken this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's understand in clockwise. Okay. Yeah, you have to answer. Okay, if you are stuck, I can help you. What is
Yes, sir.
tan minus pi by 2? What is the meaning of tan the minus pi by 2?
90 degrees in clockwise direction.
90 degrees, or yeah, it has traveled from A to D, or this distance.
It has traveled from A to D. The distance
So
is pi by 2. Minus
yeah,
pi by 2.
this is distance. Okay, this is distance. Automatically, this is since this is a if I tell tan pi by 2 radians, right?
Yes, sir.
tan pi by 2 radians, then this is pi by 2 radians, right? Tan minus pi by 2 means, okay, it has tan from here to here, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
according to L is equal to r theta, theta is pi by 2 radians, minus pi by 2 radians, right? You have to understand that. That visualization you have to have. So if I write a real number, what is the visualization? If I write a degree, right? Sorry, radian, what is that? You have to understand that, right? You have to be clear on that. Okay. So how much is the value?
Undefined.
Undefined. Okay. What is tan minus 3 pi by 2?
Undefined.
Okay. So it will come to here, right? It is also
Yes,
undefined.
sir.
What is tan minus pi by 2? Minus 5 pi by 2?
Again undefined.
Right. Very good. So what is tan 0?
And 0 is 0.
Tan 0 is 0. Okay. The 0 degrees means OA will be at OA only, right? So A
Yes,
to
sir.
A distance is 0. What is tan pi radians?
That's also 0.
Okay. So the body has come from A to C, right?
Yes,
It
sir.
has traveled C. Okay. It has made an angle pi radians, so it has come to C. So if I have to extend this one, right, I can't extend like this. I have to extend like this, and it means the tray itself. So A to A distance is 0 units, right? These are the lengths. So this should be units, right? Then what is tan minus pi? Minus pi radians.
0
Imagine minus pi means
will come
minus 8.
from
Yeah, A
A
to C
to
in
C.
clockwise.
Clockwise.
That is 0 units, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please note down that. Okay. So I will be starting the class now. Okay. Due to some, I have missed. Means I had some plans to complete some syllabus. Okay, and please revise this. Right. We'll in coming class we will see what is how to calculate tan 60, tan 30, right? All these angles and the
Yes, sir.
behavior of tan in different quadrants. Okay, means how it will be going from 0 to infinity in Q1, right? We'll draw the graphs based on that. Okay, and we'll also discuss the periods of tan theta in the coming class. Okay, so please revise till now. Okay, if you're not revising, then no point in coming to this class. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Ria.
Thank you, sir.
So if you have doubts till now, you can ask me.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.